Hello guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about XYO network. Guys, in this video I'm talking about a latest price update of XYO network. What's the price changes occur in the XYO network. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update video about XYO network, guys. Anyways guys, let's go ahead and let's start the video. Let's discuss more about XYO network, guys. So first of all guys, if we talk about the right now price of XYO network, so the right now price is about 0.034932 USD dollar. Guys, the price of XYO network is still very low, guys, very low, and I believe guys that there is still opportunity with all of you to invest in the XYO network, guys. Still opportunity for all of you. Furthermore guys, if we talk about the changes of XYO network, so completely guys, the changes of XYO network going in the lows. Just yesterday for some time XYO network start pumping, guys, and except of some, for some time, for temporary, XYO network price pump. Now in the latest situation, in the right now situation, XYO is in the lows, because you can see last 1 hour mean, last 60 minutes, negative 1.15% price dump, and from yesterday the last 1 day changes is positive 3.15%, guys. Now guys, if the XYO network in the low, so does not mean that if the changes is negative, so you decide to sell. No guys, no. You know what guys, when the crypto, when any coin, when any altcoin changes becomes negative, so does not mean that you decide to sell. And I believe guys that it's time to buy, because the price becomes low, and when again the price start pump, so the price becomes high, then sell, make your profit, go away from a market. Very simple, guys. Anyways guys, that is the latest update of XYO network. Hope you like. Don't forget to subscribe channel.